Hey, this is Mr. Alien Freak back with part 3 or 4 or something like that. One of those two things. But anyways, if you're at this video right now, you need to go back to previous videos because I'm already halfway done with what I'm doing. Anywho, here we go. I already have this put back in and thermal grease. This put back on and thermal grease. The next thing I want to do, oh, sorry about that. That was pretty dumb of mine part. I already have this put back on and thermal greased. Okay, your fan, CPU fan, and everything, thermal greased. I have this put back on and thermal greased. Nice and tight. But the next thing I want to do is I'm taking out my coin battery here, which basically holds your time and everything, but yeah, you know what, screw it. What do I want to do next? Well, first of all, if you disconnected this, your power cord, your power button cord and everything, you're probably going to want to plug that back on. Okay. Well, we're going to start our assembly now. Make sure all your vents that you can see are clean. If you got a compressor or canned pressurized air, clean this all out. Be careful with your fans. Don't spin them off their bearings. You'll have to buy new fans. Once again, not my problem. I warned you, and we'll be putting her back together now. The one part that I did not show you how to take out was this. This has just got your USB ports in it, and your headphone and microphone jacks, but that's the one thing I didn't show you how to put in. But I think this is 2 gig and 2 gig. Alright, yeah. So we got our RAM. Yeah, you know what? Let's put the hard drives back in. You know what? Let's put the fan back in. Damn. Alright, well, anywho, after you clean this fan right here, clean it out. Be careful, once again, don't spin it too much off its bearings, alright? Because as you can see, it launches itself right back to where it comes from. Don't break it off its bearings. But anywho, put it back in. Which is right here. Make sure you line up your screw holes. Alright, now this shouldn't take me as long as it did before, as long as I can find my stupid screwdriver, which I can. So, here we go. Probably should apply pressure to the back of your fan, because these screws are a pain in the butt to get put back on and to take off. They take about 10 minutes to take off. Come on, piece of crap. Screws. God bless it. Hard. Holy crap. Sorry, this is gonna be something that you can't see right now, but obviously tightening down a screw shouldn't need that much explanation for it. Tightening a screw is pretty much self-explanatory. Jesus Christ, man. Stuff is hard. Never seen some freaking screws to tighten in my life. Okay. Check how much time I have left. Oh, wow, I got a lot of time. Of course, that one goes in nice and easy. You know what? I ain't gonna complain. I like it. Alright. Gonna want to put in, and make sure you put in all 4 screws. You don't want to not, it may make noise or rattle or whatever it would do. It probably wouldn't hurt it, but it may just get annoying. Alright, now that you got your fan tightened down in there. Okay. Oh my god. Alright, now that you got your fan tightened in there. Right here. Right there. You're going to want to take your plug, which is right here. And I can't seem to find it. I always have trouble finding it. It is right here. Make sure you plug it on the right way and don't bend any of them pins. Alright. Make sure that stays clear of everything. You don't want to get any of them wires cut in the fan. Alright, the next thing we're going to do is install your RAM. These green pieces here. There are notches right there. There's a notch, and there's notches in that. You're going to want to line them notches up. So this stuff only goes in one way, so it's dummy proof. Except for me. But holy crap! Now just lock both sides in on it. If this stupid... Oh, alright, I figured out why. Just lock it in there, make sure she's tight. Yeah, that's what she said. Once again, like I said, make sure it goes in the right way. Latched in there, latched in there. Okay. Now, I'm probably going to put in the power supply. You know what? I'm probably going to put in the hard drives. Or probably hard drive for your, in your case, probably hard drive. You know what? No. I've learned that I need to put in the power supply first. I've made up my mind now. I'm putting in the power supply. Okay, here's your power supply. Once again, probably post a video on how to clean this up, but Anywho, you're just going to want to drop it in there. Make sure you're clear of any wires and everything. Alright. Just set it so that way it's lined up in there nice. Just like this. Just make sure it's lined up right. Then you're going to want to put in your screws for it, which requires me a different screwdriver. But yeah. This you want to make sure is tight with screws too. That's what she said. Alright. Okay, now you're not going to want to be a stupid retard like me, or if that offended anyone out there, I'm sorry. I know a couple people who are saying that word offends them, but if you're going to be someone stupid like me and put your power supply in, it looks like it's upside down. That's got to be upside down. I don't know, let me see what it looks like the other way. What the frick? Oh. God, this crap is such a pain. There's little tabs you gotta push down in the back. Let me see how that looks. Right there. That looks wrong. Way wrong. Although it does look right. Oh, that's gotta be wrong. Fan ain't right. Sorry about this, dudes. And dudettes. Oh my god. That's gotta be right. No, that's wrong. Oh, now I got it stuck up there. That's what he said. Hard. Anywho, got her done now, and we're out of time, so I think you know what to do. Just install your screws here, 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 and here. Here and here. Just make sure you get all them screws. Alright, sorry about that. Here, 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 and here. And just make sure you get all four in there, right? So we're gonna run out of time here, but I'm gonna put them screws in there, and I showed you where to do it, and you see me take them out and halfway put them back in anyway, so yeah. I will get back to you as soon as I do these screws, alright? So I'll let you see a little bit till the video runs out.